Please show me how to make cinematic videos with the iPhone 5S, iPhone 8, and the iPhone 12 Pro Max using Filmora 15. Absolutely, you can make cinematic-looking videos with older and newer iPhones. The key is how you shoot and how you edit in Filmora 15, not just the camera. Since your channel often encourages creators to use what they already have, this fits your message perfectly. Below is a clear, practical workflow you can follow for the iPhone 5S, iPhone 8, and iPhone 12 Pro Max, all edited in Filmora 15. Cinematic Basics applies to all iPhones. Before we break it down by phone, these rules matter most. Shooting rules. Frame rate, shoot at 24 frames per second, cinema standard. Resolution, highest available, don't worry if older phones are lower. Stability, use a tripod, small tabletop stand, or brace your arms. Lighting, natural window light, overhead room lights. Movement, slow pans, slow push-ins, slow pullbacks. Cinematic is not equal to expensive. Cinematic equals intentional. iPhone 5S, cinematic on a classic. Best settings. Resolution, 1080p. Frame rate, 30 frames per second, 24 frames per second not native, Filmora will fix this. Camera app, native camera, or Filmic Pro if available. Shooting tips. Shoot during golden hour, early morning or sunset. Avoid zooming, physically move closer. Use simple compositions, subject off-center. Filmora 15 editing, key steps. 1. Import clips. 2. Right-click clip change frame rate 24 frames per second. 3. Go to color LUT. Use a cinematic or warm LUT. B. Reduce intensity to 20 to 40%. 4. Lower. Saturation slightly. B. Highlight slightly. 5. Add letterbox, black bars. Effect cinematic letterbox. 6. Add soft background music at -20 to -30 dB. Result, film-like, documentary-style cinematic video. iPhone 8, cleaner and sharper cinematic. Best settings. Resolution, 4K. Frame rate, 24 frames per second or 30 frames per second. Enable grid lines for better composition. Shooting tips. Shoot in 4K, even if exporting 1080p. Use slow motion sparingly, 60 frames per second slowed to 24 frames per second. Keep the phone very steady. Filmora 15 editing. 1. Set project frame rate to 24 frames per second. 2. Add motion blur, subtle. 3. Use color wheels. Shadows, slightly cooler. B. Highlights, slightly warmer. 4. Add film grain, very light. 5. Use slow zoom. Crop and zoom pan and zoom subtle push-in. Result, clean YouTube cinematic look, great for talking head videos. iPhone 12 Pro Max, true cinematic power. Best settings. Resolution, 4K. Frame rate, 24 frames per second. Enable HDR, optional. Use cinematic mode only for controlled shots. Shooting tips. Use wide lens for cinematic depth. Shoot LOG style if using a Pro app, flat image. Manual focus for dramatic shots. Filmora 15 editing. 1. Turn HDR on in project settings, if shot in HDR. 2. Apply a cinema LUT, then A. Reduce highlights. B. Lift shadows slightly. 3. Add A. Vignette. B. Subtle sharpening. 4. Add cinematic sound design. A. Room tone. B. Soft whooshes or ambient effects. 5. Export. A. 4K/24 frames per second. B. High bitrate. Result, professional, film-style visuals perfect for storytelling. Filmora 15 Cinematic Must-Use Tools. Use these every time. LUTs, lower intensity. Letterbox/black bars. Pan and zoom. Color wheels. Film grain. Audio ducking, voice stays clear. Export settings for YouTube. Format, MP4. Frame rate, 24 frames per second. Resolution, 1080p or 4K. Bitrate, high. Audio, AAC, 320 kbps.